Hello guys, so on this day we went swimming in an African river that is located in Nnewi Anambra State, Nigeria. Have you swum in a natural water body before? How does it feel like for you? Because for me it is the best of experience, because when you get there, people are gathered from different places, experts, those that know how to swim, even those that just come around for sightseeing to relax, watch other people swim and do so many other things. It's always the best of experience. And another good thing about swimming in a natural water body is that the water is flowing, so whatever dirt that enters the water is being carried away immediately. And for a river like Obo, there are do's and don'ts. Why in the water? There are things you do and things you don't do. All these rules always help to keep the water body as clean as possible, even though some people will still go there and break the rules. But then fixing those rules for people that have common sense and people that have conscience, they're always careful. And people that know about water, they're always careful not to break those rules. So those are the things that help to keep these water bodies as clean as possible, even though some people still go there and break those rules. So you can see people swimming and having fun. Nothing beats nature. Nothing at all. Nothing beats nature. So the best of swimming experience you can ever get is swimming in a natural water body. But then before you go to any natural water body to swim, ask about the water, know the do's and don'ts, and make sure you can swim. Or if you cannot swim, make sure you are going with experts, those that can swim, and don't overstep your boundary. If you cannot swim, just stay within the shallow parts. Don't go towards the deep parts of the water, because someone like me, I don't know how to swim. You can see where I was standing at the entrance at the very shallow area. So I respected my boundary. I didn't overstep my boundary, so that stories that touch the heart will not be told. So we enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah.
2024.
About Obo.
Even in Otolo.
Of course. Ojandemo we fe mama Camilla, we ki won mama Camilla, keta we fe mama Camilla.
Aha ma mmiri ama.
Mana eziokwu.
Onye mmụọ gosiri onwe ya afọ mmụọ. Ife do na ewu onye jere Imo na maka mmiri ha.
Mana eziokwu.
Onye osimiri fụrụ okwu ya ka ọ na-eri. So iti okwu na osimiri orie gị amalia. You understand? Ịma a na-ekwu na break me, make me, remold me, and use me. It is in a milli will break you, remake you, remold you, and then
use you.
Yes. You understand? Oh God, the one he falls off.
Udobi.
Yeah.